Blofin is the supercharged derivatives trading platform for everyone. Learn how to connect it to Tealstreet to unlock all of its capabilities. First, log in to Blofin. Then navigate to the API tab. Click on Create API Key. Click on Tealstreet from the Application drop-down menu. Give your API key a name. Make sure to tick Trade Permissions. Then, give your API key a passphrase. Store these API keys somewhere secure. We will need them for later. In Tealstreet, head to the API Keys tab and click on New Account. Choose Blofin from the Exchange drop-down menu. Type in a name. Now copy and paste your API key and your API key secret and paste them back into Tealstreet. Type in your API key passphrase. Then click Add. Now, you're all set and ready to start trading with Tealstreet. If you enjoy using Tealstreet and would like to help support ongoing developments, please consider using one of our exchange referral links.